get to it, man. Alright, it's a couple of months later, man. So I found some more rust. I found a little bit of rust in the frame, which ain't no big deal. I could fix fairly easy. And also I found some rust down here in the bottom of the quarter panel, not counting the hole there, which you already knew about. But up underneath there. And of course, I know I'll find more as I go along. But what I'm getting to now is I'm unhooking the gas tank. I'm going to take the gas tank out because I did find some rust in the frame here. You can see it's a piece about like this here. So I'm just going to go out and I'm going to get some, actually I might even have some 3/8 plate. I'll just make me a new piece and then I'll cut this out and weld a new piece in. And get this tank out. I done got everything unhooked on top, so all I gotta do is just drop the straps and hook them out. So yeah, let's do that. Side of the rail where the gas tank was. That side right there, it's getting there. It's not quite there like this one is, but it's getting there. So I might go ahead and do that side too on that, just to get it done. I want to get all this damn steel off here, get this damn frame coated in so this doesn't happen. The rest of it. Just got to make sure I'm recording here. Try to get it. You can see right here, I'm pretty much going to have to cut this section out right here. And I'll just, I think I might have some 3/16 plate somewhere around here over in my junk pile. Maybe enough. If not, I just live right down the road from the steel company. So I can go down there and get pretty much anything I want. Alright guys, this is the next day. I thought I had some 16-inch plate, but I don't. So I went and see my neighbor and scrounged up a piece. That piece right there ran me 20 bucks. So what I'm going to do is, I bought this plasma cutter a couple summers ago, and I ain't never used it. And so I'm going to try cutting these pieces out of this frame with it. And yeah, when I first got it, I tested it out, and I'd never worked a plasma cutter before, which I've never worked one before. And I went to cut a piece of metal with it just, to do a test on it, and had the damn nozzle up too high, I guess, and I got flash from it, just like you would on a welder and shit. And it flashed the hell out of me, and it melted the tip of it, the little copper tip. Okay, yeah, here's the little copper tip, and it's melted on the inside here. and I can't get it off. So I'm gonna have to take a cutting wheel and cut it off, I guess. I really need to look at it. I haven't looked at it in a while. Like I said, I bought it a couple of summers ago, and this is it here. It's just a little cheap one that I got off of eBay. It's a cut 50. Yeah. So I'm gonna check it out, man, and see what's up. So what I'm probably gonna do is I'm just gonna cut right along the edge of this mount bracket here. Zip it off here at the top. Cut it out and then go in. Well, I'll probably go ahead and weld this plate in first, I guess. Let me get this damn cable out of my way. Alright. So yeah, first I'm gonna fuck around with this plasma cutter for a minute. Let's put you in here. Set you up somewhere. Alright, here's what I got cut out so far. I'm going to cut all this out right here. Try to tuck in behind as much as I can. Same over here. That right there, I could probably come in with a cut wheel and just cut the rest of that off. And you can see there's some other crunchy shit up in here behind this plate here, which is for this frame. So, yes, this frame is what this is right here. Cut this off. Straighten it up a little bit. You can see, man, I can actually, if I took a hammer, I could probably chisel that the fuck out real easy, man. It's just falling out in chunks. Excuse me. Tries to get to be, it's only 2:30. I got there early today. So I noticed we got a bunch of new subscribers. As new to the channel, welcome to the channel. Got some new videos and stuff coming up. Go back and check out some of my older videos of my cutlass and other projects I've been on. We're almost to 1,000 subscribers. Last time I looked, it was like 912. So I appreciate everybody subscribing to the channel. I hope I'm entertaining you. So that's pretty much it, man. Thanks for watching, and we'll get back to cutting this out. in behind the spring hangers, and it's going back farther. Ouch! That motherfucker's hot. Been pondering over this frame past couple days. Well, not the past couple days, but the past day or so. Watched a couple of videos on YouTube with pretty much the same problem that I got. This guy took his and unbolted his rear section of the frame and pulled it all apart and cut all this out and shit. He cut all this shit out. The hangers, he took them off and just pulled the whole thing out and left the rear end sitting in it with the drive shaft and everything, and done his separate. But I don't know if I want to go and do all that, man. I mean, that's a lot of friggin' work, man. I've done it before on that Cutlass, and I know what I'm getting into when I do that. But then again, I do want to do it right. I don't want to have to go back and sometime later on and redo it. And the same with these here, these back ones. That one there's not bad. This one here looks pretty good, but I know I got some rot here on this hanger here. So maybe doing that, it would be the way to go. You know, it wouldn't be hard to separate the frame. I'd take these two braces off. It's pretty much bolted together, except for the rivets and the hangers there. They come all the way through on both sides. So yeah, I can just grind the head off the rivet. I'll just grind the head off the rivet and then take the hanger off, and I can use a punch or something to get the rest of the rivet out. So that might be the way to go. This is going to wind up being a series, I guess. I don't know how many videos I'm going to do on this because I don't know how long it's going to take me, but it's just another setback on this truck. In my opinion, this truck should have been done, but I'm just a stickler for stuff, man. You know, I want everything to be right. I'm doing this by myself, and it takes time, man. There's an old lady pulling up, so yeah, I guess that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to separate these frames and get at it, I guess.